Hello, my name is Dola Abiodun. I'm a family nurse practitioner, a DMP student of Brandman University, and I'll be presenting on supporting health communication campaigns. My problem topic is about childhood obesity. My clinical scholarly project is about using jump roping exercise to help reduce body mass index in sedentary overweight and obese adolescents. Childhood obesity is a national epidemic in the United States, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. It is the most serious health condition of the century, with a tenfold increase in occurrence from 1975 to 2016. In 1975, 11 million children were diagnosed globally, but right now, 125 as of 2016, 124 children have been diagnosed globally with childhood obesity. The cost of treatment and complication is enormous. About 254 billion annually is being spent on this problem in the United States. Unfortunately, 1 in 6 children and adolescents in the United States are diagnosed with being overweight or obese. Consuming healthy diet and engaging in physical activity can help prevent this problem of obesity and help achieve healthier weight. I picked an educational material that is from the Twitter is an infographic about the impact of physical activity on childhood obesity from World Health Organization. And the educational material targets parents, and the main focus is to help parents to be aware that obesity can be prevented by increasing physical activity and less screen time, or just because nowadays our children are used to technology, they are more technology savvy, and they are used to more screen time than with less play. So this infographic is all supporting less screen time and more play and recreation. I picked a flyer to support my campaign. I did put this flyer together, and the name on the flyer is "Get Off the Couch and Become Healthier." It talks about inactivity and screen time. It contributes to childhood stroke adolescent obesity, and it encourages more physical activity, less screen time to help prevent this problem. It also talks about get moving today, and the whole idea of this flyer is to support the WHO, that's the World Health Organization, campaign to have more physical activity to combat this problem of obesity. The goal for this health communication campaign is to help promote public awareness of how physical activity does impact childhood obesity. It also promotes public awareness that childhood obesity or adolescent obesity can be prevented and treated by adopting the right lifestyle, in this case, which is physical activity. And these are my references concerning this topic. And thank you so much for your audience.